Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add arrow connectors inside of Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to make a basic diagram here. So I'm just going to add some boxes. So I'm going to add a rectangle box, and then I'm going to add 3 of these circles, and then I'm going to connect these using arrows. So I'm just going to Control V these. Alright, so now I want to go ahead and connect these to the main box here. So go ahead and click on the main box, and you can see these little arrows pointing like so. Go ahead and click onto it and then connect it up with your diagram. You can move it to the front, the back, like so. I'll just keep it simple. And again, click on this, click on that connector. Now you want to go ahead and connect it like so. Again, like this. Made a double. And then again we can connect it. So yeah, then we can add text into these fields as well if you like. Now we can customize these. If I want to customize the arrow, I want to go ahead and click on the arrow, and then I want to go ahead and click onto, so yeah, click on the arrow, and then we can change the style. So we can change this to rounded or curved. So you can see that's looking a bit different again. So make that curved, and then I'll make that one curved as well. We can also change the color here. Now if you want to do this to all boxes, go ahead and highlight it all, and then yeah, we can also change the text inside of here. If you do have text, we can send to automatic. We can change the font background color, go to style. We can make these boxes a bit different color. Also, we change it to different type of lines, so you can see these are dotted. So yeah, these are fully customizable inside of Draw.io.